Hey y'all. So today I want to talk to y'all about imposter syndrome. Every one of us deals with this at some point. And here's what I want to say. It is so important that you understand that imposter syndrome, it's just fear. And fear, as they say in one of the songs that I really love, fear's a liar. So don't let fear stop you from doing something that you really want to do. Now you need to do it in the right way. Don't just run, head first into doing something. But don't let that little voice that's inside your head tell you that you can't do something, because you absolutely can. And I'm going to tell you that every single person on this planet is a valuable person. Don't ever let anyone tell you that you're not a valuable person, that you're not worth it, that you can't do it, or anything like that. You really just need to believe in yourself, because you are worth it, and absolutely you can do it. It may not be the way that you really want to do it, but if there's a will, there's a way. So don't let that little voice that's inside you tell you that you're not worth it, that you can't do it. And life is pretty short here on earth, so definitely don't put off the things that you really want to do and that you really love because you think that you're not going to be able to do it. Okay, I just wanted to give y'all a little bit of encouragement today and tell you not to listen to that little voice in your head, because they're lying. Okay, y'all have a great day.